Welcome back to Kylie the Hedgehog's video channel. Today we're making some lemonade. It's the same day as I made the stuffed animal video. I'm filming because my dad, he's making some lemonade with the orange and a lemon because it'll be too sour. Kylie the Hedgehog's over here making some lemonade with this stuff. It smells really good. Can I smell the lemon? Oh, I can already smell the juice. Can you guys smell it? Can you guys smell the juice? Yep, that smells good. We had to pause the video because it took a long time to make the lemonade with the oranges and the lemon. And we saved slices of orange and lemon, a few more for my cup. Because we both need some. Look at that. Putting water, mineral water. I don't want water and mineral water. Okay. Okay, I'll pause the video, and when my dad pours it into the cup, we're gonna start it again. We're not gonna cut. We're just gonna pause. But this isn't the end of the video, but I just really want to pause. So I'll see you again on the same video, and now I'll pause the video. Bye. Okay, we paused the video. This is the same video, and we're putting ice cubes. Now, I really gotta pause the video. And then we're gonna see on the same video. Bye. I started the video. Okay, look at that. Squeezing the lemon, that object. Then we're gonna squeeze the orange. Pause the video. We're squeezing the orange now. Pause the video. Okay, started. Yeah. Be careful for a seed. Okay, give me some water. Did you unpause the video? Okay, so now we have the lemonade. Let's try some. Oh, no seeds. Bye everyone. See you on the next video. I hope you all make some lemonade too. Bye.